Hello and welcome to the lecture SAM Facts. In this lecture, we will discuss some factual information about SAM and numbers. Gartner says organizations can cut software costs by 30% using three best practices. Savings too large to ignore as global software spending forecast to hit 332 billion in 2016. Many organizations can cut spending in software by as much as 30% by implementing three software license optimization best practices, according to research from Gartner. The keys to reducing software license spending are application configuration optimization, recycling software licenses, and by using software asset management SAM tools. Hank Marquez, the research director at Gartner, said achieving software savings is a complex exercise, but the potential savings are too large to ignore. Automated software license optimization is a relatively new discipline, and most organizations are at a lower level of maturity, said Mr. Marquez. The variety of license entitlements also makes it tough for IT leaders to spot savings, especially in environments with many software publishers and titles. But it's worth pursuing as spending reductions contribute directly to the bottom line as gross profit. According to Gartner's latest global IT spending forecast update, organizations will spend 332 billion on software in 2016. In more than 800 Gartner client inquiries regarding SAM tools between May 2015 and March 2016, organizations with mature software license optimizations processes that were automated using SAM tools reported reducing software expenses on average by 30% within the tool's first year of operation. According to Gartner, organizations can cut software spending using three best practices as follows. First, optimize software configurations. Second, recycle software licenses. Third, use SAM tools. First, optimize software configurations. Software from large publishers has complex use rights and is costly. The default configuration for most software is normally the most expensive for clients as well. This blend of complexity and high cost offer your best chances to cut spending. IT leaders must look for savings in the configuration of software, especially data center software. Such changes appear simple in hindsight, but they are not obvious, and your savings could be in the millions of dollars, said Mr. Marquez. Second, recycle software licenses. Recycling software licenses is the recovery of unused license rights for reuse to avoid new license purchases. License recycling will reduce software spending as well as support and maintenance costs. Recycling requires strong process control. However, with many IT organizations at low maturity levels, most could cut their software spending by maturing their recycling and license optimization processes and building them into their daily IT operational activities. Recycling requires metering to spot unused, underused, or misused software. For example, a user may have a piece of software installed but never actually use it, or perhaps the user only require a viewer. SAM tools and some client management tools can provide this functionality. Third, use SAM tools. It's hard to optimize software spending because licenses are so complex. Optimizing complex licenses manually is labor intensive. It requires specialized knowledge and does not scale. Larger enterprises will need a SAM tool. A SAM tool can automate, accelerate, and improve manual processes. It can pay dividends over manual alternatives and can often pay for itself. SAM benefits. Here we demonstrate the SAM benefits with the weight of each benefit. that 43% of customers enjoyed audit cost savings, 36% had labor saving, 41% reduced software maintenance costs, 12% achieved hardware cost savings, 53% succeeded to reuse software, 26% had the ability to renegotiate more favorable software contracts, and 21% achieved other benefits. Thank you very much and see you next lecture.